Hello world, from my home to yours, I welcome you all to this video in which I'll be guiding you on how to set up and prepare your NVIDIA Jetson Nano 2GB developer kit for the first boot by using a Linux computer. In order to follow along with this instruction-driven video, I request you all to arrange few resources such as a micro SD card adapter, a 64 GB or 32 GB micro SD card, a laptop, and last but the most important one, a stable internet connection. Furthermore, if you are visiting my channel for the first time or the nth time, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I publish my new content. Now, the agenda is clear. Resource requirements are clear. So let's move forward towards the first boot of our NVIDIA Jetson Nano developer kit.
Welcome people to this part of the video in which step by step I'll guide you on how to set up and prepare your NVIDIA Jetson Nano 2GB dev kit for the first boot. So let's begin with part A, which is writing image to the SD card. And you can use a 64 GB micro SD card or a 32 GB micro SD card. It's all up to you. Now let's move to the step 1 of part A, which is downloading the SD card image. And the step 1 is navigating to the URL, which is https://developer.nvidia.com /embedded /learn /get started jetson nano 2GB devkit #right. Then after navigating to this URL, you have to right click on the Jetson Nano 2GB devkit SD card image link. Then after right clicking, a drop down will appear. Then from that drop down you have to select copy link address option. Then you have to move to your system terminal and write the below command, which is about to come next. And the command is wget -c https://developer.nvidia.com /jetson nano 2GB sd card image. Once you give this command, you have to press enter and downloading of SD card image will start. Now let's move towards the video demo of step 1 to get more clarity. You can see I have reached to this URL, developer.nvidia.com ending with #right. Then I'll go to the link, right click it, then I'll opt for copy link address. Then I move to my own system. I'll give the command and then I'll press enter and the downloading will start. I'll just move forward with the video. Suppose then I have paused the downloading by using Ctrl+C. If you find yourself in a situation when you're downloading a large file and need to shut down your computer during the download, or for whatever reason, you can use wget, because wget allows you to pause the download. So next time when you give wget followed by the same URL, instead of starting from scratch, it will start from the moment it was paused. And this particularly come handy when you are trying to download very large file. In this case, this file is of 6.5 GB. So that's why I use wget. Now let me continue with the video demo. I'll again give this command, and instead of starting from 0 MB, it will start from 24.40 MB, as you can see here. And it will go on until it will reach 6.5 GB.
After downloading the SD card image to your local system, it's time to move to the step 2 of part A, which is flashing the image to SD card. And the step 1 of step 2 is reach to the same URL which you use for step 1, then Scroll down to the instruction for Linux headline, then click on the Azure link. You will reach https://www.balena.io/azure/. Then you have to select the appropriate software version according to your system and start the download of that version. Once that version is downloaded, you have to create a separate folder in your system and try to keep the SD card image and the HRZip file in that folder. Then you have to unzip both the SD card image and the HRZip file present in the previously created folder. Then you have to reach to the unzip folder of the HR software and click on .app image file to launch HR. Once you launch it, you have to click on Flash from File option and select the sd-blob.image file from unzip folder of SD card image. After that, you have to insert your memory card and select the SD card as target in Select Target option. Then you have to click on Flash and the OS will ask for a password. You have to give that password and then flashing will start. Now let's see the same through the video demo of step 2. I've reached to the same URL. You can see it ends with #right. Then I reach to instruction for Linux. I click on Azure. It will take me to another website. Will auto detect my OS version. If you want some different versions, you can check the list. You can set the list. After that, since I'm not interested in the list, I click on download straight away. Once it gets downloaded, I'll go to a folder and then I've already extracted the folder of the SD card since it's 30.7 GB, and then I'll extract the same of Balena software. Then I'll go to .app image to launch Azure. Then I'll go to Flash from File option and I'll select the SD card image, which is of 13.7 GB. Guys, I have kept the Azure zip files and the SD card image file in the same folder. I'll select sd-blob.image file. Then I'll select the target, which is the micro SD card. Click on select target. I select this 32 GB micro SD card. I'll click on select then. I was just checking. I'll click on select. After clicking on select, I have to click on flash. But before that, it will ask for my password. I'll give the password and then flashing will start. Let me fast forward this video. Okay, let me fast forward more. So once flashing gets over, validating will start. It will take around 10 minutes or so. So this whole process will go on for about 30 to 40 minutes and it will vary according to the memory SD card as well. For 64 GB, it took me 15 minutes and for this 32 GB, it took me around 40 minutes. So once flashing and validating gets completed, you'll see one message. sd-blob.image was successfully flashed to your micro SD card of 32 GB. As you can see here, flash completed successfully. Now let's move to the part B, which is setting up your dev kit. Here's a video which is showing how to set up various connectors. First, I'll insert the micro SD card by using a push-push mechanism. By push-push mechanism, what I mean is you have to push the memory SD card into the dev kit, and you have to again push it in order to take it out. Then I'll put the adapter, since I'll use wireless mouse and keyboard, so I'll use the wireless adapter in order to operate it. Then I'll insert the HDMI cable. After that, I'll be giving the power using the USB-C power supply. Guys, if you give a power of less than 5 volts, this board will not turn on. Alright, you have to give this board a power supply of 5 volts. Once you give that, the green LED will glow. That means enough power is being given to this board. After writing image to the SD card and going through some basic initial setup, it's time to move towards the final part of the video, which is first boot. Let's go towards the video demo in order to see the steps required to accomplish the first boot of your Jetson Nano dev kit. Let me play the video. You can see a display going through some basic initial setups. When the setup gets over, you'll see a wallpaper. After that, system configuration dialog box will appear. Just click on I accept the terms of these license and click on continue. After that, select the language of your choice. I selected English and then clicked on continue. Then I selected keyboard layout of my choice and then I simply clicked on continue. After that, I selected the time zone. Since I live in India, that's why I selected India as a time zone. And then I simply clicked on continue. After that, it asked, who am I? So I started with writing my original name, which is Naveen Manvani. But then I thought, okay, let's give a fancy name. Since I recently watched October Sky, that's why I gave Rocket Boy as the computer name. And I gave the password, and then I opted for require my password to log in instead of log in automatically. After that, I clicked on continue. Then I followed the recommended settings, APP partition side. Then I clicked on continue. After that, it asked me to create soft file. I went to the recommended setting and then clicked on continue. Select NVP model mode. I went to the recommended setting. Then system configuration setting started. It went on, and then applying changes dialog box appeared. It also went on for a while. And once changes applied, system restarted it. Again, some basic initial setup. Then a dialog box appears. Remember, I opted for ask for my password when I log in. So it is the same dialog box. Let me move the camera more towards the display so that you can see it. You can see Rocket Boy and then the password. I gave the password, and then this sparkling eye appeared, or I would say NVIDIA symbol appeared. So once this symbol appeared, it means your first boot is completed successfully. Congratulations, you did well if you accomplish what I accomplished at the end of this video. So since we have reached to the end of the video, therefore, if you like this video, I request you to press the like button, and if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, or if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that if I publish a new video, you get notified about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.